If you're looking to dive into DJing with Serato Lite, the Numark Mixtrack Pro FX offers a compelling entry point. This 2-deck controller integrates a 24-bit audio interface, tactile 6-inch jog wheels, and dedicated FX paddles, all via plug-and-play USB. It's designed to get beginners mixing quickly. Let's explore the practical capabilities of the Mixtrack Pro FX in real-world mixing scenarios. New DJs will find everything they need to learn the ropes, making it very effective for developing foundational skills. The large, touch-sensitive jog wheels offer the tactile feel needed for precise beat matching, helping users develop a strong sense of. With dedicated FX paddles and a selection of effects, experimenting with transitions and sound shaping is both intuitive and enjoyable. While capable, the absence of jog wheel displays can make advanced mixing or precise cue placement more challenging without visual. This controller excels at the fundamental aspects of DJing, though the lack of visual jog feedback. Now, let's assess whether the Numark Mixtrack Pro FX delivers solid value for it. It packs essential features like an integrated audio interface and large jog wheels, offering a lot of functionality for it. Numark is a well-established name in the DJ world, giving buyers confidence in the product's quality and design heritage. Against other beginner controllers in its segment, this model provides competitive features, making it a strong contender for new DJs. The value proposition significantly improves if you can purchase it during a sale, offering an even more budget-friendly entry into. This controller presents a compelling value proposition for its target audience, particularly when its price falls. Finally, let's look at the potential risks and common complaints associated with the Mixtrack. The controller features a sturdy build quality that is well regarded for its price, suggesting it will hold up to regular. Users generally find it to be reliable in operation, consistently delivering the performance expected from a beginner-focused controller. Numark provides standard warranty coverage and support, which is reassuring for new buyers should any issues arise with their unit. The main limitation often cited is that Serato DJ Lite, while capable, does have feature restrictions that some users will. For entry-level Serato users, this controller is a relatively safe bet, with most significant drawbacks stemming. Ultimately, the Numark Mixtrack Pro FX is a smart choice for new DJs prioritizing Serato DJ Lite and responsive, full-size jog wheels, especially if you find it at a competitive price compared to the Platinum FX.